Are you a Forex trader looking to up your game? Welcome to ProFXTool.com, your one-stop destination for all things Forex. In this video, we'll walk you through our platform and the incredible resources we offer to help you succeed in the Forex market. Let's dive in. ProFXTool.com is a haven for Forex traders, providing a wide range of expert advisors, tools, and resources that are essential for your success. Best of all, it's absolutely free to use. Expert advisors. First and foremost, we offer a library of the latest expert advisors. These automated trading systems can help you make informed decisions and execute trades with precision. Forex Tools. Our collection of Forex tools is designed to make your trading journey more efficient. From calculators to indicators, we've got you covered. Educational resources. Knowledge is power in the Forex market. That's why we provide educational resources to help you understand the ins and outs of Forex trading. Community support. Join our Telegram of Forex traders. Share insights, ask questions, and learn from one another on our interactive forums. By choosing ProFXTool.com, you enjoy the benefits of staying up to date with the latest tools and expert advisors, improving your trading strategy, and gaining access to a supportive community. Ready to take your Forex trading to the next level? Visit ProFXTool.com today, sign up for your free account, and start benefiting from our resources. It's time to unlock your full potential as a Forex trader. Thank you for watching this video and discovering the world of ProFXTool.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy trading, and we'll see you on our website.